5 ways to save money on your car's gasoline. You own a car and you want to save money. Here is a collection of tips I would want to share with you. With gasoline prices steadily on the rise, many commuters are finding it more and more difficult to justify spending their hard-earned money on the high cost of fuel rather than other necessities, including food and electricity. With that in mind, there are 5 simple ways that you can do to help stretch your budget a little bit farther when it comes to your car's gasoline or fuel consumption. Before we continue, please take your time to like this video, comment and subscribe to our channel. Here are 5 ways to save money on your car's gasoline. 1. Carpool. If you have children who are going in school, consider sharing the driving responsibility with other parents that live nearby. This is especially helpful if you can alternate days. Maybe you would drive the children on Monday and Wednesday, while the other parents fill in on the rest of the weekdays. This will let you save money on gasoline and will also make the children's ride to school a lot of fun because they will be riding with friends. The same is true of commuter colleagues on their way to work, who can share in the responsibility and costs of driving amongst one another. Well, it is not fun to become a driver for your colleagues, but you still have to go work though. 2. Buy a smaller car. If you own an SUV or other large vehicle, your gas mileage per gallon will be less than if you were to own a smaller car. As a general rule, larger vehicles just normally use more gasoline. If you want to save money on the cost of fuel, buying a smaller car is a good start. Anyway, you can always swap your SUV for a smaller car. In that way, you will not only save money but you might also get a profit out of it if you opt to buy a second-hand car. 3. Purchase a hybrid car. These cars are fairly new on the market and are still quite expensive, but many find the benefits outweigh the high cost when they figure in their savings on fuel. Hybrid cars usually get better gas mileage per gallon and this results in big savings for the owner. 4. Turn off the ignition. If you are stuck in traffic that is moving about an inch per minute, then just put the car in park and turn the ignition off. While sitting in traffic, you are just using more and more gasoline and aren't really getting anywhere. Rather than waste, try to save money by not leaving your car running in parking lots or your driveway. If you need to stop by the store and will just be gone for a minute, take the time to turn the ignition off. In addition to saving on gasoline, you will be ensuring that your car isn't stolen by turning off the ignition and taking your keys inside the store with you. Many people would be surprised to know how many shoppers actually leave their car running while in the store. 5. Walk. If you live near a store or wherever you might be going that is near, try to walk, instead of driving. This will save not only in the price of your car's gasoline, but also in the general everyday wear and tear that your car receives by being out on the road. Not to mention, walking is a very good exercise and is generally safe for most people. So why not walk off some of those pesky quarantine weights and save money on gasoline in the process? Bottom line. The above-mentioned ways are 5 of the most popular to help you save money where fuel is concerned. Same is true even if you are using a motorcycle, which I will have a video on this topic too. Some of the more obvious ways are to stock up when gasoline is decreasing in price. If you get 500 pesos or 1,000 pesos worth of gasoline every few days, you may get a good price one day, and a terrible cost per liter during the next trip. However, if you fill up your car's gasoline tank while prices are still low, you will be sure to get the best deal possible. Not only that, but you may also end up saving some time at the gas pump when all of the other consumers are waiting in line to fill up before the prices go even higher. This video presentation is brought to you by my Tipid Tips YouTube channel. Please visit our blog at www.mytipidtips.com for more details. Thanks for watching.